Hello, today we will be removing a strut assembly. Tools required is going to be right here. You'll need one 19 impact socket, 17 socket, and a 14, followed by a flathead. All right, first step is to locate the top hat assembly for the strut. Under this plastic piece, there's going to be three 14mm bolts. And in order for us to have access to it, we will have to remove one side of the wiper arm. So right over here, there's going to be a rubber cover. Just pull that off. It's going to be a 17mm nut. Go ahead and zap that off. Give the wiper arm a little wiggle and pull up at the same time. Out comes the wiper arm assembly. Use your flathead. Pry under and lift gently. So right on the very top, there's gonna be three 14mm nuts. It's gonna be 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and get your 14mm socket and start shooting those nuts off. So now we're gonna remove the sway bar link. You just need a 19mm impact socket, a 17 open end wrench. Locate the top sway bar link, like so. All right. Now that everything's disconnected on the bottom, we can come back on top and take off the last few bolts. And if you come over here and look, this strut should just come on down. All right. There you have it. This is how you remove a strut.